All right, go Pack Go. This is the video to find the winner of my mini helmet pick one. So we'll check the time, December 29th at 3:28 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have December 29th at 3:28 p.m. There is the list of our 15 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 11. All right, 11 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Gunner. Spot 14 is your winner. So, Gunner, please PM me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, December 29th, 3:29 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.